Hey folks, James Farrer here, sales executive over at BMW Dealer for Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely stunning 211D BMW 3 Series 318D Sport 5-door saloon. Let's take a quick look around her. She comes in this Sophisto grey metallic paint finish with the BMW LED headlights, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the front parking sensors. It also has a sports body kit. Come around to the side, you have the BMW spoke alloys on run flat tyres, the high gloss trim finish surrounding the windows, the privacy glass in the rear, the shark fin aerial at the back. If you come around to the back now, you have the BMW 318D badging, the twin exhaust, the rear parking sensors and rear parking camera to give you that complete 360-degree parking view. You also have the rear LED tail lights. This 318D is also kitted with an automatic boot. Just click the key fob and she'll pop right open. You have the collapsible rear seats to give you even more trunk space. Now let's take a look at the interior and some of the specs on board this 318D. Now that we're inside, folks, you can see the semi-digital cockpit with real-time traffic information, the BMW multifunctional sports steering wheel with features such as speed limiter, cruise control with brake function, voice control. You can also access the media through the steering wheel, and it'll appear on your display. You have the BMW teleservice, fully touchscreen. Or you can use the BMW iDrive system to quickly access some of the features. You have the enhanced Bluetooth, media, radio, communications, sat-nav navigation, connective drive, communications again, and many other extras. The interior comes in the Dakota leather, oyster white, surrounded by a high gloss black trim. You also have the customizable ambient lighting. Right now it's a little hard to see because it's so bright out, but it is in M Sport blue, but you can choose from a range of different colors. You have fully electric windows, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers, electric windows, mirrors. You also have the BMW pedestrian safety system, the BMW SOS service system, heated seats, the e-brake, the auto hold, the sports, comfort and eco pro mode, the keyless push button start ignition. You have the 360-degree parking sensors, parking assistant, reversing assistant, and the rear camera. Now folks, like I said, this was just a quick look around this 211 BMW 3 Series 318D Sport Saloon. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Dealer for Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.